prediction for Giggle Fund. Currently, it is forming a parabolic pattern that looks like a snake, and it is predicted to touch a lower support level. Why? Because on April 15th, the peak was higher than the peak on May 11, 2026. This means that on May 11, 2026, in the upper zone, there is a larger sell wall compared to April 2026. That sell wall has not yet been fully absorbed, and the price continues to decline due to a decreasing number of holders. In this situation, sellers are still lining up in that area, while buyers are decreasing. As a result, the price continues to drop lower. There is also a possibility of a breakout below the current support to an even lower price. Giggle Fund once reached its ATH in 2025, about 20x higher, and has now fallen from that peak. It is very likely that many people are stuck holding losses in that area. Currently, it is still in a semi-downtrend.